Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a Homage beat.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. The Joker. Why so serious? This is an illusion. And in an illusion, anything goes. When you take life too seriously or thinking all the time, then you're in the wrong vibration. Especially in this time and space. Laughter, smiling, dancing, being free is the true order in the chaos. See, the system has to run. This America has to run and do what it has to do to have order and peace within the masses. When you're not playing by the rules, well, that's when destruction and terror comes in line. So the system has to run because people in their natural selves, their shadow self, will have this whole world in an uproar. But when someone steps outside the box, someone gets out of their mind control ways and starts making plays on account of their personal interests, then you're truly living. If you've seen all the Batmans, the Joker is never afraid to die. He always feels comfortable in whatever the now is bringing him. To tap into that chaos, you must rid yourself of these human emotions and rise to your Christ consciousness thinking. Your monstrous soul is ready to come out to play, but the ego is in the way of that. Not saying do anything illegal or something that's going to put your human in trouble, but lighten up. Don't take yourself too serious. The job you're working at, making someone else rich, is not who you are. If you still have a little fear and anxiety about the power of coercion, it's okay. We all do. I mean, they will lock your ass up. But know that you doing everything by the book or being a mind control slave is not helping you reach your true chaos being power. Break some rules. Don't feel guilty about it. Lay your people down sometimes. It's okay, they'll get over it. You must take control of your own mind and come into your chaotic power to absolutely, truly feel free. Dream wise.